Hey there, I'm Bianca, and this is Learn English with Bianca. Today, I've got a short story about Emily that will inspire you to keep learning English no matter what. Let's get started. Emily was 28 years old when her life suddenly changed. She lived in a place where English was rarely heard. She had a stable job, a small apartment, and a normal daily routine. But everything turned upside down when her husband got a job offer in the United States. They decided to move. It was a big step for the whole family. Emily felt excited but also afraid. Her English was very basic. She studied it in school but had never used it in everyday life. In the US, everything was different. People spoke quickly, the signs, the forms, the small talk. Everything was in English. Emily wanted to find a job, but every employer asked, "Do you speak English fluently?" At her first interview, she didn't understand some of the questions. A manager told her, "We need someone who can communicate clearly with customers." Emily went home feeling frustrated and sad. She asked herself, "How can I find a job if I can't speak well? And how can I improve if no one gives me a chance?" But Emily didn't give up. She made a promise to herself, "I will learn English one step at a time." Emily created a simple learning plan. She listened to short English stories every morning while making breakfast. In the afternoons, she watched slow and clear English learning channels. She practiced shadowing. She played a sentence, paused, and repeated it aloud, copying pronunciation and rhythm. She spoke English with her children during dinner and repeated phrases while walking or doing chores. Gradually, Emily's English started to improve significantly. She gained confidence and began speaking more naturally. One day, her neighbor Lisa said warmly, "Emily, your English has improved a lot. Are you looking for work?" Lisa worked at a bakery and told Emily about a job opening. Emily decided to try again. At the interview, she was nervous, but this time she understood the questions clearly. She answered slowly but confidently, using the phrases she practiced every day. She got the job. On her first day, Emily greeted customers, took orders, and learned new phrases. She continued practicing English daily. After a few months, her manager praised her, saying, "Emily, you're doing great. Would you like to help train our new team member?" Emily smiled proudly and replied, "Yes, I'd love to." Emily was no longer just learning English, she was using it every day with confidence. Thanks for watching Learn English with Bianca. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to practice your English every day. I'll see you next time with another story to help you grow your English skills.